Alright, this is going to be a quick guide on how to root your NabiRootXD and install GApps if you want. Google Play Store. Alright, turn the Nabi on. You want to go to settings. I'm making the assumption that you guys are starting with ADB drivers and fast boot drivers installed already, and it's a good idea to have them from probably PDA NAT is what everybody's using. June Fabrics, just Google search it and install it. Then another thing you want to do is go to About Tablet. You can see we're on version 1.23 release keys, and it's the NabiRootXD NV10A, which is the NabiRootXD. Now you want to go to developer options, and we're going to enable USB debugging, and then the computer's picked that up. Okay, now from the download you've gotten NabiRootXD. Go ahead and launch that. Okay, and it's as simple here as hitting 1. Alright, and here's your options. You're going to have install, recovery, root, and GApps. It'll create a backup. Install, recovery, and root only and create a backup. Or install GApps only and install root only, and you won't be installing any recovery. Alright, so for this I'll go ahead and do the whole thing, which is option 1. Make sure the device is connected. We've rebooted. Press any key to continue. When download is complete, hitting any key. This is the screen that you'll be seeing. Now, you'll see that hit volume plus key, which you want to do. Alright, and here we have TWRP. Hit any key and it'll start sending the recovery over. The GApps for this is Jelly Bean 411, and it's 88 megabytes, so I forget what the max speed on ADV is, but it's something in the range like 1 megabyte per second. It's not very fast. Okay, there we go. We transferred the GApps, which was rather large. You'll see the Nabi reboot. What it's going to do here is boot into your recovery, and it's going to run the script. So we chose the option that's going to do the backup, and it's backing it up into the following folder that you see under Stock Unrooted. To save video space, I paused here. It's been time elapsed, probably about 4 minutes. See, it's installing, it just finished the backup, and it installed Super User. Another thing about it is the screen. This TWRP version has a screen timeout on it where the screen will go to sleep. There, you saw it. You can just, well, actually now I just rebooted, but you can just touch the screen and it'll come back. So don't be alarmed if the screen goes black. Just touch the screen. Definitely don't be powering it off during that time. So that total time was about 5 minutes, I'd say. Still at this screen over here. The backup that it made should be in the folder TWRP backups, the serial number that it had, and it'll be putting that on your SD card. So I would recommend that when you're done to copy that off of the Nabi and onto your computer somewhere, because you'll need it at some point in time, almost guaranteed. When you don't do it is when you need it. Anyway, here we go. Alright. Okay, I just set up Google Play, so you don't have to watch that whole thing go on here. Super User installed, so you have root. There's the Play Store. And that about completes that. Let's see, go click back. And that's about it. The install recoveries is just if for some reason you want to switch back to the stock recovery if they have an over-the-air update or something like that. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy your rooted NabiRootXD.